Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Check the app version and your OS build because mismatches cause read failures. Once done, back up the app data or create a restore point to avoid data loss. Then, close the app and terminate any related background processes. Use Task Manager or Activity Monitor so files aren't locked. Finally, reboot the device to clear transient file handles and service locks. This creates a clean environment for the repair steps that follow. Next, diagnose the failure by reading the app logs and system event logs. You're looking for file permission errors, missing files, or access denied messages. Once you identify candidates, run integrity checks, SFC and CHKDSK on Windows, or FSCK on Unix, and use the app's repair tool if available. If the integrity tools flag corrupted files, replace them from your backup or extract clean copies from the installer. Make sure permissions and ownership match the expected. To finish, restart any dependent services and clear app caches so stale data doesn't recreate the error. Then launch the app and watch for success. If it still fails, reset file and folder permissions or run the app as an elevated user to rule out access issues. Make sure to test in safe mode to isolate third-party interference. If problems persist, collect detailed logs, perform a clean reinstall, and then compare before and after logs to pinpoint remaining causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.